You have to kill Ra's al Ghul. I am terrified that is going to use your humanity against you. Oh.
Let's give them a minute.
Kill him. This is a duel. Because that's not who you are anymore.
Felicity, I honestly don't know if I'm a killer anymore. But I do know two things. Felicity Smoke. Hi. I'm Oliver. There's just something about you. Felicity. You're remarkable.
Can I trust you?
Yes. You can trust me.
And you didn't have any choice in telling her who you really were, but we're asking her to get involved with some pretty dangerous stuff.
We can protect her. The first is that whoever I am, I'm someone that will do what it takes to save my sister. Don't be afraid, my son. Consider this a horrible night.
And the second thing?
I love you. Thank you. It's better to not with someone that I could really care about. Felicity. So maybe I was wrong. You're not gonna lose me.
You will always be my girl, Felicity.
You're my partner. Realize how much I need you here.
You're not alone.
Love you.
And you love her. You can told her so.
I was trying to finish late.
Yes. Except not when the person you're fooling is yourself.
Life is precious.
Don't ask me to say that I don't love you.